Hello everybody, very important lesson. It's a combination of 3 lessons. I can find cost mass by converting between inches and feet. So if you don't know how to do that, watch the video on that. Finding volume. So if you don't know how to do that, watch the video on that. And performing dimensional analysis. So if you don't know how to do that, do that. I really don't see the need to go over more than one example because they're really all the same. The first thing you have to do is check your units. I've got a rectangular prism here. I've got inches, I've got inches, I've got inches. It looks good so far, but that must match the volume unit. It wants cubic feet. That's not good. Because it wants cubic feet, I need all the dimensions in feet. So I have to make 36 inches into feet by dividing by 12. That's 3 feet. 36, I already did that. 4 inches into feet by dividing by 12. Use a calculator if you need to. That's 1/3 of the foot. So this is 1/3. This is 3. This is 3. Rectangular prism is length times width times height. Again, now I shift to the volume. But before I can find volume, I have to make sure my units match. If they don't, I have to convert. That's what I just did. Length and width, 3 and 3. Height is 1/3. Type it into the calculator if you need to. It's 3 cubic feet. Now that I have 3 cubic feet, I start dimensional analysis. Cubic feet goes to the bottom. I'm reading. 325 per cubic foot. So cubic feet's going to money. 325 for 1 cubic foot. Cubic feet are gone. It's asking for cost. Is there a quantity or a percent? Yes, there's 2 of them, times 2. I go to my calculator, 3 times 3.25 times 2. 3 times 3.25 times 2. 19.5. Money is always 2 decimal places unless it specifies otherwise. 1950. Make sure the units match. If not, convert them to whatever it says the volume unit's going to be. Find the volume, do dimensional analysis. I'll go over one more. Let's take a look at 5. A concrete footing is a cylinder that is placed, blah, blah, blah. I've got a cylinder. I know I have to find the volume. I've got feet. I've got inches. That's not good. I'm going to have to convert 1. What do I need? Feet or inches? Cubic foot. I need feet. So 12 inches has got to go. To go from inches to feet, I'm dividing by 12. That's 1 foot. So the diameter is 1. The height is 4. Volume of the cylinder is pi r squared h. The radius is half of 1, which is a half, or 0.5, times 4. B equals pi 0.5 squared times 4. 3 dot 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 cubic feet. So now I take my 3 cubic feet, dot, 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 and I start my dimensional analysis. I know I have to get rid of cubic feet. So I've got cubic feet to bags. 1 bag, 2/3 of cubic foot. Cubic feet are gone. Now I have bags. That's what I want. I want bags. Are there any quantities or percents? Yes, 10 of them times 10. So this one, I have 3 dot dot dot, 10 on top. I have 2/3 on bottom. So I'm going to go alpha x. I can copy and paste, or I can hit second answer. 10 over 2/3. 47.12. bags. Now with bags, I can't buy a fractional of a bag of something. 47 is not enough, so I would need 48. So with bags, you're always going up to the next integer. Convert first, read what it wants in the volume. That's where you're converting to, if necessary. And this whole lesson, you will have to convert. Then find the volume, then do dimensional analysis. That's it. It takes practice. You need to know those three things first, so make sure you know how to convert, how to find volume, how to do dimensional analysis, and if you do, you're good. Goodbye.